Like that smoke might be in the way. That smoke might be in the way if you're in the car. Huh. Yeah. This thing's cool. How do they know how they're going to turn out? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like that. It's just to pick what you got.
Which those?
I like the other one.
These? You like
These?
these?
No, the other ones are like Starbucks.
Tell me
You know the
which ones you're talking
Like
about.
those are cool.
Yeah, those are cool.
I love those other ones that were like really loud.
I like when they turn it on.
Yeah, and I like when they're loud.
Yeah.
That was cool. Yeah, those are cool. It's cool because those are really high. Oh, that was low, huh? Yeah. I don't, there must be some. That's cool. Yeah, that's really cool.
Imagine how much money this cost them.
That one is neat. Look at that one. Good spiders.
Look at it was green and pink.
Look at that one.
Almost like a good one. That one. It's almost the end there. That was
Ooh,
weird.
look at how sparkly I see.
No, those are. That's what they're made to do.
They must be made to do that.
That was
because
neat.
they're doing the same thing. Oh, that's cool.
There's new ones, huh?
Oh, yeah. They're like,
I like when they're really loud.
I like when they're loud.
Oh!
It must be loud. Oh, there it goes. And I can't believe I'm catching this on a roll. You should send us a friend. Oh, yeah.
I'm catching.
We should just fucking run out of batteries.
It's amazing.
Edward. And Edward and Lance are recording.
Can I tape it?
It comes out on the cameras.
What's so sad is Lancer's only looking at his camera, he's not looking out.
I am.
I know, but I like the actually
If you think about it, they're in fire. They're
They're like teardrops. Look at this over us. I like those.
Isn't it so weird? It's like fire goes up in the air and then dies out.
Shut up. Well, at least I still saved it. You still saved it, right? It's not like I recorded all at once. See, I recorded stop recording another just in case.
I love
Look at, yes, look at. It goes like this, and it stops. I like it when it goes all around.